This is lesson 1-7, multiplying polynomials. There are three different methods that we can use for multiplying polynomials. You may choose the one that you like best. The first method is the double distribution method. Step one is to take the first term of the first binomial or polynomial and distribute it to the entire second binomial or polynomial if it's bigger. When I do that, I get x times x to get x squared, and x times -8 to get -8x. Then I'll repeat the process with the second term in the first binomial, distribute it all the way throughout. This time I get 5 times x, which is 5x, and 5 times -8, which is -40. Then you take all of your products and add them together. In the middle, 99% of the time, will be your like terms. You'll combine them and you'll end up with your new polynomial, x squared minus 3x minus 40. This is the FOIL method. FOIL is a mnemonic device to remember the 4 steps, which is first, outside, inside, and last. When you multiply the first terms, it needs the parentheses. That's the f part of it. So we'll multiply the x and the x to get x squared. Then the outside, and in this case we have x and -2, which is -2x. Followed by the inside, which is 3 and x, to give me 3x. And multiply the last terms, in this case 3 and -2, to get -6. Same idea as the last double distribution method. We have adding all the products together. And we'll combine any like terms, which again hopefully end up in the middle. We have x squared plus x minus 6 as our final polynomial. The last method you can use is the box method. So we want to make a box with a space for each of the terms involved. So in this case, I want to make a box with 4 spaces. Then I'll take the terms, the binomials, and I'll put them on the outside to the box, typically on the top and down the left, as I've done here. Then you'll use the old-fashioned multiplication table trial, and you'll multiply the terms on each side of the box. Now, you may want to put a little dot up here in the middle to remind yourself to multiply, and you fill in the boxes. This is x squared, this is 5x, this is -3x, and this is -15 when you do the multiplication. From there, you'll add all the insides of the boxes, and that's what I've done here with x squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. And again, you can see I have like terms in the middle that I'll combine them all to get x squared plus 2x minus 15. Here's some examples for you to try on your own. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to try them on your own. So all of these answers should be the same no matter what method that you used. For the first one, x minus 5 times the quantity 3x plus 2, we have 3x squared minus 13x minus 10. For the second one, it's important to remember to write this out. We cannot back distribute this 2 like we did in previous lessons with the rules of exponents. And mainly because of this minus sign right here. What we need to do is write this out longhand, like such. And from there, when we do any one of our 3 methods, we get 4x squared minus 16x plus 16. And finally, with the last one, the like terms will cancel each other out in the middle. And so we just end up with y squared minus 64. If you're having any issues in any portion of this lesson, please make sure you are emailing me or consulting me in class.